Hello everyone, this video is high-level quick guidance for CAAT Bot. As you know, CAAT Bot is 100% of the trading bot, buying coins and selling them by itself when it reaches a specific buying or selling point that you can just set up here. This API key information that you should input for trading. Well, you must know that all API key and secret key are saved in your computer only, not stored in any other online server, computer, cloud server, whatever, not stored anywhere. If you don't know how to have it, what it is, where is my one, I believe you can just do search how to do it in a Google or YouTube. There are 100 video contents how to create it. If I simply say that it's free, absolutely, you can create the API key in a Binance website. You can take it through just a couple of mouse clicks. Okay. So now I'm going to talk about the alpha values. This is very important. The CAAT Bot runs by these values. Your winning is all depending on these values, so are key winning factors actually. But the thing fortunately is that you already have the default value. The value you see here are final value after over 6 months testing result we did. We tried to do our best for user-friendly interface for beginner and expert trader even. If we input 1.015 for buy, then CAAT Bot will catch that position and get in for that the target coin. If we input 1.6006, CAAT Bot will wait for each coin price raise to this percent and just will send the sell order. Alright? And this price for buy, this is the price you buy when its target price actually reach it. Well, I say you better keep it as it is. You could have it 1 or 0.999. Well, I understand you want to buy it cheaper, but your that intention could influence the market so that price could drive more by your really even that tiny intention. That's trading, you know? And percent for stop loss is to sell for stop loss as it is. If the coin price that I bought drops this point, then CAAT Bot will immediately send the sell order with the price. And auto canceling. These three features are about auto canceling. That means for buy order cancel, means for sell order cancel, means for stop limit order cancel. This free version doesn't have this feature now. There's a full free version that you can use after you have activation key. Activation key can be delivered once you register the referral code. This one, this is also free. Once you register this referral code, then we will send you unique activation key to your Binance ID email. Okay. Please you click this blue button for more details. Otherwise, check out the other video how to have a activation key. You can find it in a CAAT Bot website. I'm not gonna go deep. I'm gonna go to detail in this video. So going back to auto canceling, if you input 10 minutes here, for example, then CAAT Bot will cancel the open buy order that has been 10 minutes. At the same way, this minute is like the timer to cancel the open sell order and the stop limit order cancel too. Percent of bottom line for buy means that CAAT Bot will not trade a coin dropped minus 5.2%, for example. As I said, this is default value that I recommend. However, you can reconfigure by your own strategy and decision, right? CAAT Bot adapts your strategy and it can be run very following your own strategy. It is very flexible. Okay. This button check status is to check your internet connection to know whether your computer is connected to the internet so you can run CAAT Bot. Once it confirms the internet connection is okay, then standard taker button will be activated. Then you can run the standard taker strategy. Well, before I play it, I will introduce the other button to you. Save alpha button as it is to save all these values API key information, alpha, Binance ID, activation key. So when you run CAAT Bot later again, you don't have to input all information again. So don't forget to save your alpha value before close CAAT Bot. Check update. Once you click it, you will be redirected to the update part in the CAAT Bot website, so you can see any update that you want to know. There will be a version upgrade, so you can download it and upgrade your CAAT Bot, or special news or recommended strategy guidance, having data analysis research that helps your trading. That's it. And please find the other video that simulates how CAAT Bot works. Thanks for watching.